In today's video, I'll show you how to make a vertical video for TikTok in Descript. To start off, let's open up our video project. Once you are in your project and your workspace is fully loaded, we need to locate the layout options. If you navigate to the top toolbar, you'll see a rectangular aspect ratio icon right next to the video title. Let's click on that icon to pull up the formatting menu. By default, it's set to landscape for standard horizontal videos, but we want to change this to portrait for TikTok. Go ahead and select the portrait option from the drop-down menu. This will instantly change your canvas to a vertical layout. Now you might notice that your landscape video is compressed or has black bars above and below it. To fix this, simply select the video layer on your canvas. This opens up your editing options. From here, click on the Transform button at the top or grab one of the corners of the video frame to scale it up. Drag the corners outward until the video fills up the entire vertical canvas, making sure to position your main subject right in the center. And that's it. That's how you make a vertical video for TikTok in Descript.